Now we're going to play a little bit with the ball dimensions. So we're going to take one kettlebell, lower the hip straight, and bring it to the hand. Relax, to the hand. Relax, to the hand. The hand. Then you switch, obviously. Relax. It should be completely without snaps or anything in the body. You see here, when it touches me, I relax. I throw it, I relax. So you're moving from one swing to the other. Should be no loss of breath or anything else. Next thing that you're going to do is move from one to the other. Not in a china shop. And then from here, show this from the side. Very good for the entire body. Next that we'll do is rotate, 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 rotate. That's it. Now next movement we'll do a sort of a back throw. So from here I'll throw it to the hand, not here but here. So it's casting it from the hips to the back. Switch to the back, switch to the back, switch to the back, switch. And last thing we'll do is just move it to the side, like so. I'll show from different angles, from the back. So again, very healthy to do.